When I think of climate change, I think of my kids.
I think we are living it.
It is happening right now. We all see it.
But it's not the same for everyone.
Temperature changing.
Threatening food security.
Flooding.
Natural disasters. We're running out of time to make real, impactful change.
The best time to act was yesterday, but the second best time, it's right now.
Every 10th of a degree matters.
To improve the health of the people and the planet.
It's also about justice and fairness.
For the masses.
The solutions are in our hands. We know how to do it. We need to do it now.
Climate change. It's not about taking action.
To make it right.
Now.